What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Car Revive. Just a quick update on what's to come and what's to happen in the next few weeks with the builds. As in the last video, this is just a quick recap. Alright guys, as you can see, I finally removed the seat out of the car. Took me about a month or so. Check that out, tons and tons of dirt, rust, debris, anything you could think of. Decades and decades of dirt. So we're gonna start the detailing process. That build up right there of dirt. So yeah, last video was basically a DUI on detailing. I'm a little bit excited about that. Hopefully I'll be able to build up some clientele in the next few weeks, since I do have my new business cards coming in the mail. What's been up with me? Say here, Laura. She's shy. But yeah, what's been up with me, guys? Basically, I just been working third shift. I'm no longer employed through Rusdero Nissan. If you guys have been wondering what's been going on with the build as far as the Mitsubishi Eclipse. What?
Daddy, with those names.
What's their names?
Yeah.
Who?
What's their name?
I don't know their names. They'll probably... Well, if you guys happen to watch this video, please leave your name down below because my daughter wants to know. But yeah, sorry about that. Back to what I was saying. Just as far as what's been going on with the Mitsubishi Eclipse, I had to put that build on a pause just because the rust was just so bad. And unfortunately, I just really thought as far as repairing it, it was just out of my reach as far as repairing the car. Time-wise, cost-wise, and lack of materials. Right now, I don't have a welder, and in order for me to restore that thing properly, I have to do a complete tear down and obviously start welding in fresh metal. Maybe in the near future, I'll be able to do something like that for you guys, since I am stoked and I do want to start doing that type of stuff. But right now, I'm not getting the type of views that I need to do that type of stuff. So if you guys like what you see, leave a like down below, and I can basically bring more and better content. So back to what I was saying. I just felt that as far as the Mitsubishi Eclipse, the one that I had, the 2001, the GS, it was just completely gone. Like, there was no repairing that thing. And here's a quick video of basically a dive in of all the rust that thing had going on. And I know one thing's for sure, the rust was not to a minimum. Basically 2 eclipses and one place at the same time, 2 different years. The one on the left is a 2001, the one on the right is a 03. You can see a big difference in rust. This one has been treated quite a bit. There's holes there. And not only that, the structure of the tower is pretty much falling apart on the 01. So this is basically just about beyond repairable. If you move like this thing off to the side, you can see there's a hole down in there. So basically, I'm gonna junk this thing in regards to time, money, and space. I mean, look where I'm working on cars, people. This is where I work on cars at. This is where I work on cars at. So basically, as you can see, this thing has just about the same thing going on with it. There's rust here, but you know, it's not caving in and falling all apart like that thing over there. But yeah, same 2 of the same cars, same, you know, same issue, rust. So what I'm doing here right now is I'm obviously junking this one since this is the worst car out of the both. As you can see, the rocker panels on here have holes in them. Over here, it's just starting, it looks like, and they repaired it quite a bit, but at the end of the day, the rocker panel's there. And it gives us a whole lot more to work with, so we can go right into performance parts like cold air intakes and turbos, possibly. Only thing I have to do now basically is maybe just do like a cold air intake, change the lights obviously, because I have upgrades, and that'll be pretty much it with the Mitsubishi Eclipse, just about. That's all she wrote. Alright guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Feel free to leave any thoughts on what you think, on what you like, what you've seen so far. If you dislike anything, let me know. I'm open to taking suggestions. If anybody's out there with an Eclipse, feel free to leave what you did to one. Big things are coming to the build, so just stay tuned. Peace, you guys.